Copy ranges from Excel into Outlook. I have a worksheet here, a workbook, and I will attach it to the descriptions, the link to it, with the codes. I'll just show you exactly what it does. So if we have a check mark in here, when we click this button, it will copy all this, and whatever is checked off, see, as soon as I check it, they go off. Okay. So whatever is checked, that range will be copied into Outlook. So I'm just going to show you an example. I'm going to click OK, and there, you see, and those are the ones that have check marks on them. All right. So if we only wanted a picture of this bird, when we click this button, the bird will be copied and pasted into Outlook. Just for an example, just to show that it works, right? If we go like this, right, that's what shows up there. When we can even have them all selected if you want. Okay, and once you click the button, it'll automatically put them all in. I like this guy. Now, say you wanted to have more pictures in there. We'll just select the rows, like for one group, and we'll copy it. Just go like one extra row down, paste. Okay. And you want to obviously to have a different picture. So you just right click and say change picture. You can either get one from a file, right? Or I'm just using stock pictures. Okay. Let me say insert, right? I know it says P's, but so I can either check it or uncheck it. Now we put it here. Here we go. P's are good. Just in case you wanted to know where the codes are, I'm not going to explain how the codes work. But there is a worksheet change code that puts in these check marks. Okay, what it really does is, like here, see it's normal thing, but this one is Wingdings 2, and it puts a P in, which gives you that check mark. Okay, and if there is a check mark now, I'll click it and the check mark disappears. So that means this won't get copied into Excel. Okay. So when you right click on this tab, that is where the worksheet change event is. Okay. So as soon as you click here, well, okay, I'll show you. We're going to step through it. Right now, if it looks for a P, that target address doesn't have a P in it, so it just exits the sub. But as soon as I click on here, we'll step through. At first it asks if this one next to it is blank or not. And if it is not blank, then it keeps going. Then it says if it's equals P, which is the Wingding theme for a check mark, and then we change the fonts. And then if there is a P already, then we un-P it. Okay, so there's that one. Now when we go up here, oh, did it again. Darn. I forgot. I already had that. We can now for the code itself is here. You can just right click on the button, say assign macro, and if you want to see the code, just hit edit and I'll take you to the code. Okay. And if you do have any questions about the code, go ahead and ask, but it's just the normal Outlook pasting code. Okay, thanks for watching.